بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
For the past 4 decades, narcotics have had a devastating impact on human beings. Afghanistan has been particularly affected by this issue, especially over the last 20 years. Over 3 million people in Afghanistan, including children, youth, and women, have been affected and have become addicted to this destructive phenomenon. The cultivation of narcotics is an internal issue originating from domestic conflicts. However, the processing and refinement of raw narcotics into finished products requires advanced chemicals and technology, often facilitated by foreign institutions and countries. The Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan's leadership has taken strong and decisive actions to address a significant national issue that affects our society. This includes a firm commitment and effective measures as directed by esteemed Amirul Mu'mineen Hafazahullah. The Deputy Ministry of Counter-Narcotics, in alignment with the 5 years strategic plan, has increased efforts to combat drug cultivation in 4 sectors.
هیواد کې د کوکنارو د کښت د ممنوعیت په هکله د علی قدر امیر المؤمنین حفظه الله فرمان. بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم. ټولو هیوادوالو ته خبر ورکول کیږي چې دغه فرمان د صدور د نیټې څخه وروسته په افغانستان کې د کوکنارو کښت په مطلق ډول ممنوع دی. تر دې وروسته به هیڅوک پر خپلو ځمکو باندې کوکنار نه کري. که هر چا کوکنار وکرل نو کښت به یې له منځه وړل کیږي او په خپله به د شرعي چلن سره مخ کیږي.
The anti-narcotics police, trained and professional, have been instrumental in this endeavor with the support of the Afghan people. Additionally, extensive operations have been initiated to address drug trafficking, rehabilitate addicts, and provide vocational trainings for them.
زما پیغام هغو قاچاقبرانو او مادفروشانو ته دا دی چې تاسې له دغه شوم او پدید عمل څخه لاس واخلئ او موږ باید د تاسې پر ضد تر هغې پورې عملیات کوو تر څو تاسې د شریعت منګولو ته وسپارو او تر شرعي محاکمو پورې تاسې ورسوو.
The Deputy Ministry of Counter-Narcotics has initiated various public awareness campaigns in different provinces to educate the public about the illicit use and harmful effects of drugs from an Islamic perspective, which has resulted in positive outcomes. The anti-narcotics police have made significant progress in intensifying operations to stop drug trafficking, dismantle drug factories, and target drug-related locations. Since the beginning of their efforts, they have carried out 47,879 operations against narcotics throughout the country. These operations have resulted in the seizure of 63 tons of various narcotics, including heroin, opium, morphine, hashish, tabletka, methamphetamine, ephedrine, methadone, hashish seed, and poppy seed. Additionally, they have seized 56 tons of narcotics. The authorities confiscated 5,390 tons of chemical substances, along with an unspecified amount of wine and alcohol derivatives. They have also arrested 17,340 individuals from the producers of these substances. Furthermore, the anti-narcotics police dismantled 1,315 factories and destroyed significant drug production and processing facilities during these operations. In addition, as part of operations to eradicate drug cultivation, 21,743 hectares of land were found to be used for growing illegal crops. It was discovered that some farmers had been encouraged by drug traffickers to cultivate these crops away from public view. These illegal crops were destroyed by the authorities and the cultivated lands have been cleared. The availability of drugs such as tabletka, Z-cup, and tramadol is alarming due to their illegal contribution to arise a delinquent behavior among young people. These substances are often cheaply manufactured and distributed, frequently originating from other countries. The anti-narcotics police have been taking extensive actions to tackle this issue, successfully identifying, confiscating, and apprehending those responsible. Their efforts have resulted in the seizure of nearly 1 million narcotic tablets during their operations. The drug epidemic has impacted numerous individuals in our country, with a considerable number of young people using drugs in public places like roads and under bridges. These incidents have raised public concern due to the significant side effects associated with drug use. Despite facing financial challenges, the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan successfully rehabilitated and reintegrated 115,220 street addicts from across the country during the early days of its rule. Many of these individuals were on the brink of death, including educated professionals. Through treatment, education, and training in various vocations, they were able to reunite with their families and become productive members of the society. Today they are leading normal lives and actively contributing to their communities. A new 5,000-bed center named Aghosh has been established in Kabul to provide treatment for drug addicts, along with Aghosh in central and provincial areas, as well as other health facilities and government institutions were facilitated to assist addicts in their recovery.
The illnesses over here, they are in progress. They are the doctors are taking care of them, and also the people, the doctors from out of the door, as a delegation, they came to here. They always share the main reason of their success, fully completed their jobs in here, and they said we will focus how to develop our the curation of these facilities in here. We do not bring the fake medicines in here. We are going to work hard for more effective medicines in here. We are going to bring from foreigner countries and also taking care of all the illnesses in here.
After the court's ruling in Kabul, 25 tons of various narcotics were publicly incinerated in the initial phase. And this widespread international combat possesses considerable challenges, exacerbated by the lack of support from nations in aiding farmers to explore alternative livelihood. According to the UNODC report, hundreds of thousands of individuals are ensnared in this conflict annually, resulting in numerous fatalities. Additionally, the administrative report from UNODC highlights that the nation suffers annual losses amounting to billions of dollars in gross income, severely impacting its economic stability. In our efforts, we have successfully rescued numerous individuals from the perils of harmful substances. We earnestly appeal for continued global support in our fight against drug trafficking. This support could encompass collaborative initiatives, protective measures, addiction rehabilitation, public awareness campaigns, development of alternative livelihoods, and capacity building for technical personnel. We have committed to engaging with the international community to tackle the cultivation, production, and smuggling of narcotics. While we have upheld our responsibilities, it's crucial to acknowledge that Afghanistan faces formidable challenge in combating the drug trade, exacerbated by political and economic complexities. Addressing this challenge effectively necessitates cooperative efforts from the international community, as Afghanistan cannot confront this issue single-handedly. Hoping for a world free from drugs.